Hi everybody, it's Tim at EngineFactory.com here. We just finished building this beautiful 383 Chevy Stroker 450 horsepower turnkey package for our customer's 1969 Camaro. Go over some of the highlights on the engine build here. Again, we got the 383 Stroker, one-piece rear main seal block, 4-bolt main. You got the double roller timing chain in there, roller lifter camshaft, Edelbrock, American made, aluminum heads. We have the Taylor ignition wires, made in USA. All the wire markers are on there. Customer wanted the Performance Canton Racing oil pan. We put that on there. We got these real nice 383 Stroker valve covers, aluminum intake, thermostats in there, thermostat housing, quick fuel carburetors on there, Chevrolet script air cleaner with the washable air filter element, MSD ignition coils on there, distributors all set into place. This is the proper distributor, the small cap distributor for the 69 Camaro for the firewall clearance. That's real important. We have the standard flywheel on there, pilot bushings installed, high torque mini starter, high flow fuel pump, all the fittings are installed, gas filter, heavy duty Russell fuel lines, all the AN fuel lines all set up. The 8 rib heavy duty serpentine pulley kit on there, alternators on there, power steering pump all set. All the belts are all tensioned, ready to go. Every engine is live run for over an hour. You'll get a video of your engine running in stand. We set the timing for you. We adjust all the carburetor adjustments. You'll get all the readings in the video: manifold vacuum, oil pressure, cold and hot, water temperature, photos of the entire engine build sent to you. So this is the way you get it: complete turnkey, drop-in ready, so you know you'll have total confidence when you put the engine in, it's going to be right. When you're ready to buy, give us a call, 1-800-326-6554, or send us an email at info@enginefactory.com. Family owned and operated business, been in business over 50 years. So there you have it. This is our 383 450 horse turnkey package ready to go. Thanks for watching.